Introduction to how ChatGPT works. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced AI applications, developed based on OpenAI's GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer language model. The standout feature of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and respond to natural language in a smart and flexible way. But how does it work? Firstly, deep learning and the transformer model. ChatGPT is trained using deep learning techniques, at the core of which lies the transformer model. This model enables ChatGPT to analyze and understand context, grammatical structure, and the meaning of individual words and phrases in a sentence. Secondly, training process. During its training phase, ChatGPT is nourished with billions of sentences and different text segments, from which it learns to generate meaningful and contextually appropriate responses. Thirdly, two-way interaction. The ability for two-way interaction is a special feature, where ChatGPT not only provides responses, but can also continue the conversation, ask questions, and adapt to new information. Next step, analysis of key components language model. This is the heart of ChatGPT. The language model is built on billions of text data from the internet, books, newspapers, etc. It enables ChatGPT to generate responses that are not only grammatically correct, but also rich and natural. Another factor is machine learning algorithms. ChatGPT uses machine learning algorithms to learn from data. With each interaction, the model becomes smarter, refining how it responds based on user feedback and new contexts. Finally, natural language processing, NLP. NLP helps ChatGPT analyze and understand language like a human. It includes parsing, semantics, and context analysis of sentences to generate appropriate responses. In the combination of those components, ChatGPT is not just a simple question-answering tool, but an intelligent virtual assistant capable of assisting users in various situations.